Hello and welcome to Superb Tech. In this part, we are going to configure and upload the firmware for our 3D printer. So let's get started. We are using the Marlin firmware for our printer. Open your web browser and go to marlinfw.org. Download the Marlin 2.0 firmware. Once downloaded, unzip the package, go to the Marlin folder and open marlin.ino. This will open the Arduino IDE. Go to the Configuration tab. Here we can make the changes we want according to our 3D printer. For easy coordination, we will enable the line numbers in Preferences. At line 493, change temp sensor bed value to 1. At line 822, change endstop inverting to true for X, Y and Z axis. At line 854, change driver type to DRV8825 for X, Y and Z axis. Also for the E0 at line 865. At line 920, change default axis steps per unit to these values. These values may differ based on the movement parts we are using. At line 955, change acceleration values to 700 and jerk values to 7. At line 1324, change invert E0 direction to true. At line 2088, uncomment SD support to enable SD card. Uncomment line 2347 to enable the display. We will require the U8glib library for the display, which can be downloaded using the above link. Download the library and place it in the Libraries folder in Documents, Arduino. Now our firmware is ready to be uploaded. Connect the Arduino via USB cable. Select the board as Arduino Mega and upload the code. Now this may take a while, and once done, a message shall appear as done uploading. That was it. We have set up the firmware for our 3D printer. In the next part, we will see how to run it for the first time and also print an object. Thanks for watching.